Hello, this is Cameron from United Credit, showcasing one of our trade lines to posted today. This actually is a social personal profile. Score came in at 755. This particular case is a client of ours. We swept his credit clean on our credit sweep program and added a trade line. And that's why score jumped so high. Remember, the more empty the file is, the greater the boost. The fewer the accounts, in other words, the greater the boost. In this case, there's only one account. Right here, one account, age of credit, 4.9 years. Discover card. As I said before, Discover cards are the best ones to have. They post on all three. They post the fastest. And they're real nice cards to have. This line here costs $495 for a nice 5-year, 9,500 limit. Perfect pay history. Zero balance. So this is a great card to have. So call us for more information about the trade lines or about our credit sweep program. We have free consultation. That's 202-213-2218. Or subscribe to our list at tradelines.biz. We're also doing CPN numbers as well. You can go check it out at cpn70.com. And that's about it. Subscribe to our channel for weekly updates on all of our proof postings. Have a great day.